welcome back. Now, I remembered in my introductory video I didn't touch something, so these layers. So now we'll talk about this element, whatever is in these layers. So this first one is lock. Let me just bring in a shape. I don't want to touch this design I'm doing. So this shape, alright, so I'll just click on this. Alright, let me bring in another one, plus click in a shape. Maybe I'll just turn this one to circle. Okay, let me just make use of this particular shape. Yeah, so we have this one here, and okay, for this first option, this one is lock. So once I lock it, I can't move it again. Before I move it, I have to unlock it. So this one is to hide. You don't want to make it visible. So this one is just to delete. So I'll be redoing it. Now this is where we'll be discussing to a length. Now this one is also known as copy. See it as I click on this one, click on it, it has duplicated what we have in there. So this one is for also, is also for the size. This for the size. If you want to make this one this side, just don't to move uniformly, you can just come here, click on this one. So when you move it, this one will be able to move. But when it is enabled, you see it will be moving together. Alright, but when you click, okay, so I'll just cancel this. So this other one is for, okay, I have talked about this before in one of the videos. Alright, so this particular option, this one is for rotation. Now this is going to the back, going to the front. Now I didn't talk about merging. That's why I'm coming. Now if you want to merge your elements, all you need to do is click on this icon here. So I'll select this. When I click on this one, this mass delete. So once I click on this particular one, I just redo, click on this, and I click on this. So it gives me option to move all these objects together. So when I try rotation, see the two of them are actually rotating together. Now let me click on it, click on this, then click on this one, click on relative position, size, alright, so you see the size is moving. When I come here, click on this, I can even go ahead with 3, click on this one, then this one, relative position, yeah. So you see it is moving. Alright, so this is 1, 2, 3. Then we have this here. So this is the beauty of it. You can move the 3 elements together. Alright, so also this one, again, if this one, you can hide them together. Also you can just come here and lock them together. The ones they are all locked already, so you can see I can't touch them. So let me just, so once you are even redoing an object, once you hide them before, maybe you did some corrections and you now hide them, it won't be reflecting. You can see before, you can just take this video back. You'll notice that when I merged it, when I made it, when I unlock it, okay, let me just see. I don't, so you can see, okay, I now lock it now, so the effect is still there. You remember when I locked it, they were off, they were invisible. But if I now just pay attention to the layers, if I take it back, redo, they didn't turn invisible, they still maintain like that. Alright, so that's what you're going to get. Alright, so let's click on this option again, this same 3. Then this is for you to merge. You want to merge them together, you want to combine them together. Alright, so this is for merging. So they are now one, husband and wife. So let's come to this particular one. Okay, is for cancel. Alright, so there's something on my screen as regards that area. Alright, so that is everything I have for you here. So That'll be all. We'll see in the next video.